Good morning, everybody. Here to wash out a tie-dye t-shirt for you. This is our beautiful, beautiful giant.
I don't know what you would call this.
2X.
Like what kind of, I guess the wig zigzag. I don't know.
It's a wig-wag pleat. I don't know. And it almost has more green than blue. Kind of made like a, dare I say, a little bit of a Rasta pattern. I'm just making it up. Beautiful, beautiful tricolor though. It was a tricolor, wasn't it?
Yeah.
One side is tricolor. Beautiful, beautiful tie-dye. That's what it is. Purple on there. Got some good mixing of color on that thing.
I tried to get a good range.
It looks like these are pleated. That's good individual colors too.
Let's go see how it turned out.
To the inside. Go ahead. That's about good. Gotta open the door. Let's see where this is. Got the hot water cranking. Let's get it unbanded. Here's some.
We were trying to see if we could do these one-sided. I don't know how well that turned out. But I guess we're about to see.
Find out. It's gonna be beautiful. Got a lot of bands on this one though.
Yeah.
Big shirt, lots of bands.
I was about to say, it's a big shirt.
Yep. We're almost into it. Be patient. Get some gradient on there. Look at all the blue and green, purple. Oh yeah, that's nice. Super nice. I think it's cool. And here's the final result. Check that out. Wow. Alrighty, look at that. Beautiful, beautiful Wig-Wag tee, another giant one. So let me take a step back. Came out with this good, like, greenish turquoise hue over the whole thing that looks really cool. In person, it looks amazing. Even more so than on camera. And it does look pretty good on camera. Now you got the dragon fruit, all the different reds and purples and whatnot. Look at that. Wonderful striation. Just a great, great pattern. Easy to do too, only 3 dyes. Let us know what you think in the comments below and what you'd like to see us try to do next. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We will see y'all tomorrow.